academic perspective. Thank you. And in our transformation agenda,
that gap does exist, and one of the programs that we are putting in place is issues relating to rationalization. We have teachers, but we have some schools that have more STEM teachers than others, so we are working towards a program of rationalization to ensure that each school at least has a STEM teacher. Some of our universities and colleges have graduated STEM teachers who we are going to employ in the 24,000 that are coming up in September, so that going forward we have enough teachers to handle STEM in all our universities. Further, in all our schools. Further, we are from this month towards the month of October, we are building 1,600 laboratories to ensure that each school that did not have a laboratory, they do have, so that as our students get in there, they are able to do their subjects with the particular infrastructure in place.